Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're checking out the iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot Vacuum, a machine that's all about effortless cleaning with a touch of smart tech. This robot vacuum promises intense powerlifting suction and a clean that you can set and forget. But does it live up to the hype? Let's get into it. The Roomba 105 brings some serious suction power to the table. With 70 times more power-lifting suction compared to older models in the Roomba 600 series, it claims to devour dirt and debris with ease. It's designed with a 3-stage cleaning system, which includes that powerful suction, a multi-surface brush, and an edge-sweeping brush that ensures even the tricky corners and edges are clean. This vacuum is specifically built to handle various floor types, making it ideal for homes with a mix of carpets, rugs, and hardwood floors. One of the standout features of the Roomba 105 is its smart mapping and navigation. Using ClearView LiDAR technology, this vacuum quickly maps out your home, which allows it to clean efficiently by covering more ground. It also has specialized sensors that help it avoid falling down stairs or getting stuck on obstacles. And if you have a lot of furniture or tight spaces, the Roomba steers smoothly around them, so you don't need to worry about constant interruptions. Speaking of interruptions, the Roomba 105 is designed to keep things running smoothly without you having to do much. You can schedule cleaning sessions, select specific rooms, and adjust suction levels through the iRobot Home app. Whether you want a quick clean or a deep scrub, you've got full control at your fingertips. If there's a spot that needs extra attention, the vacuum has a spot cleaning feature that focuses on a particular area for up to 5 minutes. Perfect for those little messes that always seem to pop up in high-traffic zones. This robot vacuum is all about convenience. You can control it in 3 ways: with the app, through voice commands using Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, or by pressing the buttons on the robot itself. It's compatible with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, so you'll have no trouble connecting it to your home network for seamless operation. One of the more impressive features is the Roomba's ability to recharge and resume its cleaning task. When the battery runs low, it automatically heads to the charging dock and, once fully charged, continues cleaning right where it left off. This saves you from having to micromanage the vacuum during longer cleaning sessions, making it ideal for busy households. Now, let's talk design. The Roomba 105 doesn't just work well, it looks good too. Its sleek, modern design blends effortlessly with your home's decor, and with its compact size, it won't take up much space when docked. If you have limited storage or a smaller home, this vacuum's low profile makes it easy to store without drawing attention. In terms of noise, the Roomba 105 is relatively quiet compared to other vacuums in this category. While it might not be completely silent, it won't disrupt your daily activities or conversations, which is always a bonus in a busy household. However, be aware that when it's operating at higher suction levels, it does get a bit louder, especially on carpeted surfaces. When it comes to maintenance, the Roomba 105 is pretty user-friendly. The dirt bin is easy to empty, and the filter is simple to clean or replace. As for the brushes, they're designed to handle pet hair and debris, but if you have long hair or a lot of pet fur, you'll want to clean them periodically to maintain optimal performance. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. The Roomba 105 excels in its ease of use, efficient navigation, and powerlifting suction. It does a great job cleaning a variety of floor types, and with features like spot cleaning and recharging, it's perfect for anyone looking for a hands-off cleaning experience. However, there are a few things to consider. While it's fantastic for everyday cleaning, it might struggle with heavier debris on certain surfaces, and its smaller dustbin means you may have to empty it more frequently than some larger models. Additionally, while it's relatively quiet, it's not the most powerful vacuum if you're dealing with deep pile carpets or extremely heavy-duty messes. As for value, the iRobot Roomba 105 stands out in terms of convenience and smart features. The 3-stage cleaning system and multi-surface brush make it an excellent option for homes with a variety of floor types, and the app control and smart navigation are definitely worth the price if you're looking for a low-maintenance cleaning solution. While it's not the cheapest robot vacuum on the market, the performance and features make it a solid investment for those who want a hassle-free clean. In comparison to other models in the same price range, the Roomba 105 is a solid contender. The Eufy RoboVac 11S, for example, offers great suction power and an even lower profile, but lacks the smart mapping and scheduling features of the Roomba. Similarly, the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum comes with a self-emptying base, but is generally bulkier and doesn't offer the same level of control via the app. When you weigh the pros and cons, the Roomba 105's smart features and reliable performance make it a top choice for most buyers. In terms of build quality, the Roomba 105 is solidly constructed. The plastic body feels durable, and while it's not as premium feeling as some higher-end models, it's sturdy enough to withstand the bumps and knocks that come with regular use. The sensors, wheels, and brushes are all built to last, though. Like any vacuum, regular maintenance is required to keep it in tip-top shape. Overall, the iRobot Roomba 105 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable robot vacuum with smart features. It's great for people with multiple floor types, those who want a hassle-free clean, and pet owners who need a vacuum that can keep up with hair and debris. It's not the most powerful vacuum on the market, but for the price, it delivers an impressive performance that's hard to beat. If you're considering a robot vacuum, the iRobot Roomba 105 is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay up to date with our latest reviews and updates. You'll find the link to get the product in the comments box below. Thanks for watching. Drop any questions or comments if you've tried this vacuum or want to share your thoughts on robot vacuums in general. Goodbye till next time, and keep your floors spotless.